If you have no desire to receive comments from people, this is how to disable your comments. If we go to settings and then discussion, and then just untick all the boxes, and then click save. As it says here, these settings may be overridden for individual posts. So you want to make sure that there's no posts that have already been created that have comments enabled, because if you've created the post with comments not disabled, then chances are the post still is accepting comments. So what you want to do is go to your posts and go edit post, and then you want to go to your discussion settings here. I'm using Gutenberg, so this is where our discussion settings are, and we want to deactivate them here as well. Deactivate the pingbacks as well. There's not much need for that. And then click update. So you'd want to do that for each individual post.